So tell us about your back pain.
It's always bad. I was in a car accident about 5 years ago, and since that I have it's just always bad. I can't do anything. For 34 years old, I can't do anything. So the past 23 days I have been bedridden in a bed.
That's why she's laying down right now, by the way. We weren't just trying to take a lying down video, but she can't even sit up. The pain is so bad.
Yeah. So I'm just here to, get better, be able to walk, be able to bend, be able to have my quality of life back. And the only person I would trust and the only person my family would trust is Dr. Deuk. So that's why we're here.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Now the pain, I understand it's in your lower back, right in the lower back here.
Yes.
And does it go down your left leg? Tell us about that.
Yes, it's in the lower back, radiating, and then it goes down all the way to the left leg, all the way down to my foot. I can't put any weight on it, and it's extreme. It's a level 20 all the time, so it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
And she contacted me over the internet. I looked at her MRI. She has one herniation at L5S1. It's off to the left side. And here's the problem. The only surgery in the world that can fix her back pain and leg pain is the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. This is an endoscopic surgery where the tear in the back of the disc, where the jelly has squeezed out, the herniation is squeezed out, that tear is the target of this surgery. And the Deuk Laser Disc Repair is the only surgery in the world that targets the tear causing back pain. Now, the leg symptoms are caused from compression or irritation of the nerve root. We're going to be fixing both the tear and the herniation, both with this surgery. And it's all going to be done with a 7mm incision. It takes about an hour to do, and then she's going to go home about 30 minutes later. And I expect the back pain you have right now and your leg pain to be completely gone. That's what I expect.
I know that's what will happen.
Yeah.
I'm confident in you.
Oh yeah, there we go. All right, let's get a picture of this. Get the light on for this one. This is what every neurosurgeon loves to do, to see when they take a herniated disc out. Look at that thing. Look how big it is. Put your thumb out. Look at this. It looks like a little blue caterpillar crawling along Sam's thumb. All right, send it to the lab. We've decompressed your nerve root. 10 seconds. We're done. Done. And how many people want to bet me that her pain is gone? Okay, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian, and we have just completed this young lady's Deuk Laser Disc Repair, L5S1 for herniated disc. And this is the first time she's standing in a month, right?
Yes.
How do you feel?
It's amazing. I want to start dancing, but I'm not. I'm going to recover.
All right, and the last time we saw you, you were laying in bed, laying on the gurney. You'd been in bed for like a month because your back was hurting, your leg was hurting. Do you still have your back pain?
No back pain, no leg pain. It's just, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's magic.
And who's the special lady on your left there?
My mom.
How you feel,
Nicole,
Mom?
amazing. I can't thank you enough, Doctor.
You're welcome. We knew that was going to happen. Yeah. She has beautiful eyes. So.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Thank
you.
you.
Are welcome.
Thank you guys.
We
I
have
can't
our
thank
Nicole back again.
Yep. I can't thank the entire staff. Everybody was amazing, and we're just very lucky to have found Dr. Deuk. He went above and beyond, and I don't even have the words. I'm going to start crying.
You can cry. But, while you were having surgery, you said you were going to take everybody here out to dinner tonight.
Yes.
Do you remember that?
Let's go. It's
All
time
right.
to go. Time to go party.
You go home and rest tonight, and you have a new lease on life now that your back and leg pain are gone.
Yes, thank you. I can't thank you enough.
You're welcome.
Thank
My pleasure.
you.
We'll see you
Thank you,
tomorrow.
Doctor.
Okay,
All right.
doctor.
All right, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian, and we're here on post-op day 1, the day after surgery. How you feeling?
I feel great. It's hard to explain
not being in pain after all these years. So it's an amazing feeling. I don't even know what to say.
Well, when did you notice the pain was gone in your back and your leg?
When I woke up from surgery, one of the nurses said to me, "What's your pain level?" And I said, "Well, give me a second." And he said, "Okay." And then I said, "I don't have any pain. Let me stand up." So he said, "Okay." So I stood up, and I still didn't have any pain. And I still don't. It's amazing.
Now you're standing here next to me now, one day after your Deuk Laser Disc Repair surgery, and you haven't been standing in about a month now, right? You've been
Over
in
a
bed.
month. Yeah, over a month. Yep. And it's great to stand and just to do daily things that I wasn't able to do.
Did you go out for dinner last night?
I didn't. They ordered in and I relaxed. I sat up in a chair and spent time with my family, and it's just great to
All
feel
right.
normal.
So come on over here. Come on. You have a mask on. Nobody knows who you are. But you're mom.
I am.
And tell us what it's like to have your daughter back.
It's wonderful. Nicole's a very active young lady, and her and Frank, her husband, are extremely active. And when this condition changed Nicole's life, we knew something had to be done. And thank goodness for her husband. He did his research. We found the doctor, and you know when things just seem too good to be true, you wonder,
That's
is
what I
this
said
real?
last night.
Yeah, is it real?
Yeah.
It is real.
I said last night to my mom, I said, "Wait, did this really happen? Am I really
Yeah,
not in
she
pain
could-
anymore?"
yeah.
I kept saying that to my entire family. I was calling everybody. I'm like, "I'm not in pain." They're like, "What do you mean?" They're like, "Take it easy." I'm like, "I am taking it easy, but I feel like it's just a miracle what he did." What the other doctors do, it doesn't cure you. It doesn't leave you with pain to be pain-free. What he does is real. It's just amazing. I don't even have the words to what he did for my family, for me, for my quality of life. It's amazing. It's a miracle. He is a miracle.
Aw.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm glad you were born. I'm very glad you were born.
Well, I got to tell you, my mom wanted me to do plastic surgery.
Oh, I'm so glad you did.
And so I just couldn't do it. I needed to do something that I thought was really different and beneficial to people. So I'm glad we're helping you.
Thank
What are you going to do now that you're out of pain? And I know what you're not going to do. You're not going to bend at your waist for 6 weeks or
no
lift
bending,
anything too heavy.
nothing.
But what else are you going to do now that
I'm
you
going
have
to take
no
a
pain?
walk outside because I wasn't able to walk outside. So I'm going to take a long walk, watch the sunrise, watch the sunset, and just be able to move around, get back into my yoga, and just live life, finally.
All right. Anything you want to say to our viewers who are watching?
There is an answer, and he is your answer. And that's all you need to know. And he's a miracle. That's all I can say. Just send him over your MRI. He'll look at it. Sean or one of his amazing staff will call you, and they'll tell you what to do. They'll tell you when to come, and everything was done over the internet. I didn't even have to come in for the appointment. It was amazing. He met me the day of surgery, so I mean, I'm just very lucky, and you could be too. If you call him.
Congratulations.
Aw,
you
Nicole,
had
I'm
the
so
faith.
happy for you.
You had faith
Thank
and
you.
you did it. So
Aw.
go enjoy your life.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you
enjoy
so
your-
much, Doctor.